My name is Faith Apio, the head teacher of Edinance Schools, Kyebando. We have two branches here, so this is basically in Kyebando branch, Kawempe. Yeah. To begin with, I want to thank the people actually who have given us this opportunity to bring in the science practical, like we can say hands-on, because learning without practical lessons is actually like a wastage of time in class, because our learners are always packed with the notes, books here and there. A teacher is all the time struggling to mark books, go through the notes. The curriculum syllabus is not covered up. But I want to thank actually this idea of the science kit, because it is going to help or boost our learning, the academics, most especially in science. It is going to help our learners actually touch and feel. So before the teacher begins even to explain, they've already known what actually they are going to tackle in a topic. Initially, science in our school in Kyebando here in our schools, we used to perform, yes, but I believe today with the practical equipment, so the kit that we have received, I know it is going to be at the high peak, yes, as science. So if I've been getting like detours, C3, this time I believe the learning is going to be fun and the learners are going to pass. I promise you that, as Edinance schools who have never failed, and I don't think this time we shall even try to fail in science. Yeah, thank you.